guys, if you're here, you got that problem wrong, so let's work it out. Now, you need to make sure that your x, your variable, is on the left when you're solving that. Remember, there's two reasons to flip an inequality symbol. And if you don't know these reasons, you will get problems wrong on your test. So you need to make sure you know them. Okay? In class, we talked about a flip-flop method. When you flip the symbol to get x on the left, or you flip the inequality symbol to get x on the left, excuse me. So if you see something like this, 6 is greater than 2x plus 4, we flip it. You can see here my x is on the right. I don't want that. I want it on the left, so I'm just going to take these and switch them. And this is going to become x over negative 2 plus 1 and 12. Now once you've done this, you need to also flip your symbol. Okay, it was still eating the 6. It needs to keep eating the 6. So for here, mine was eating the 12. It needs to keep eating the 12. And now I can go ahead and solve this. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, solve it like normal. 12 minus 1 gets me 11. And then bring down x over negative 2 and my symbol. Now once I've done this, I need to get rid of that negative 2. This is division. So the opposite of dividing is multiplying. So I'm going to multiply that negative 2 to both sides like this. That gets me 1x, and 11 times 2 is 22. And that's going to be negative because my signs are different. Now I'm going to take my flip-flop and double check this. Now there's two reasons to flip. I did this one, and the other one is you flip the inequality symbol when you multiply or divide by a negative number. And I just did, negative 2. So I'm going to take my symbol and flip it the other way, and here is my answer. Remember to keep practicing graphing this. Negative 22, negative 23, negative 21. I'm going to put a circle above 22, and there's a line underneath it, so I'm going to use some of that extra ink to fill it in. And my inequality symbol is now pointing to the right. So I'm going to draw mine to the right. Because if you don't flip it correctly and you go to graph it, it's going to be wrong. Okay? So here, and you can see we actually ended up flipping it twice, so it did turn out to be written the same way, but you want to make sure you're going through the motions as you're flipping.